This video is an initial high-level overview of DaVinci Resolve 17, mainly suitable for people who are either switching from a different video editing software or are completely new to video editing. DaVinci Resolve from Blackmagic Design is a powerful video editing software with unlimited creative opportunities. You can perform simple editing tasks as well as the most complex ones. For example, it is claimed to be the world's most trusted name in color correction, which has been used in many Hollywood films, TV shows and commercials. Now, with DaVinci Resolve, you get a complete set of professional video and audio editing tools, advanced color corrections and compositing visual effects, all combined in one application so you can deliver fantastic results in one single tool. DaVinci Resolve is an open source application that can be downloaded and used for free for Windows, Mac and Linux operating systems. There is also a paid studio version, but my tutorials are only about the free version, which I'm absolutely impressed with how powerful and amazing this free version is. DaVinci Resolve has 7 pages, all of which we'll briefly cover in this video, and they can be accessed by clicking the icon on the bottom of the screen. All 7 pages are different, used for different purposes, but they are all linked and work together. Now let's have a quick look at each page one by one. When you open DaVinci Resolve, you'll be welcomed by the first window called the Project Manager, which is the interface for managing all projects and databases belonging to the user. The Media page is the primary interface for importing, managing and organizing your clips and source media. It is designed to make it easy to find, select and work with media in your project, and this page is divided into 5 different areas. Media Storage Browser, where you can find all available files on your computer. Viewer, that shows the clip's content. Media Pool, which contains all the video, audio and still images that you import into the current project. Metadata Editor displays the information about the selected clip. Audio panel, showing the levels of audio in the clip you are playing. The Cut page is about efficiency and speed. It is focused on fast editing, where you need to quickly cut new segments, build an episode of your content or experiment with scene arrangements. It has 3 regions. Media Pool, Viewer and Audio Meter, and Timeline, which in the Cut page is divided into the smaller upper timeline and lower, larger and more detailed timeline editor. The Edit page is the main page for creative editing and finishing. It has 3 main regions: Media Browser, Viewer on the top, and Timeline on the bottom. All of these regions work together and let you import, edit and trim timelines with a flexible variety of tools and methods. In addition, as in all pages, you can use the effects library with different video and audio transitions, titles, special effects and generators. There is also a powerful inspector to change and adjust many parameters for each video and audio clip in the timeline. Finally, there is a mixer to monitor the audio levels. The Fusion page is about a powerful 2D and 3D compositing and applying visual effects. The Fusion page is based on nodes. The Fusion page makes it possible to jump immediately from the editing right into the compositing, with no need to export media or launch another application. Everything you need is inside DaVinci Resolve. There are these following panels: Viewers, single or double, containing also the time ruler and transport controls. Toolbar contains buttons that let you quickly add commonly used nodes to the node editor. Work area consisting of 3 editors. Node editor, which is the heart of the Fusion page for building the tree of nodes that makes up each composition. There is also keyframes and spline editor. Effects library with all the effects and tools. Inspector is used to change the parameters of each node. You can open the clip panel to display the thumbnail timeline. The Color page is where you color grade and color correct all your clips. It has all the controls available for a powerful color correction and stylistic adjustments. This page is divided into 7 main areas: Viewer, Node editor. This is where you assemble one or more individual corrections together within the nodes to create multi-correction grades. Timeline, which reflects the content in the edit page but has a different appearance. Left palettes with an access to different sets of grading tools. Center palettes with a wide range of functionality adjustments. Keyframe editor, which provides the interface for animating over time. And finally, there is a gallery. The FAIRLIGHT page is an audio editor with an expanded mixer and monitoring controls. It is an audio representing the exact look from your audio timeline in the edit page. It has these 4 panels. Audio timeline, toolbar, mixer with powerful dedicated channel strip controls which are enabled when double-click on the desired areas like equalizer, pan or dynamics. Monitoring panel with output meter and video viewer. In addition, there is an audio effects library and the inspector that can be activated and deactivated as needed. Once your project is finished, you need to render it, create a final video output and convert it into a video file like MP4. And this is done in delivery page, which is divided into 4 main areas. A render setting list with customizable settings affecting how media is rendered out of DaVinci Resolve. Delivery timeline is mirroring the timeline in the edit page. Viewer and render queue, which is a list of all the jobs you have queued up for rendering.